Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on Lumber Capital Log Yard. Today I'm going to be giving a full tutorial on this Metavic log loader. There's a few things that I think you should know about it before you start operating. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So today, Jade is going to be our demonstrator. She has to run down and grab some logs for the deck anyhow because we just ran out on the mill. More like we just have been kicking some butt today and have worked through it super quick. Anyhow, Jade's gonna hop in the tractor and move down below to where the logs are, and we'll meet her down there. After you have started your machine and it's up to full throttle, the next step is to put down your downriggers, and this is a very important step because you will tip over if they are not down. Do not try and use this machine without them. On this Metavic, they are the two levers on the farthest right and left. It's also a good idea to only lift a lot of weight when it's hitched up to a tractor or something, and in this case that's not an issue because we've been moving it around with the tractor already, so it's already hitched up. But in any case where you'd be using it not hitched up to more support, that can be dangerous. You just have to be aware. I wouldn't recommend it personally. I am also going to go over what all of the different hydraulic levers do. When you move the large left lever forward and back, it will move the arm in and out. This will either straighten or bend the boom. Now if you move the other large lever, the one on the right, front and back, it's going to move your boom up and down. The same levers also do completely different things when you move them left and right. For instance, the left lever when moved right and left will move the boom right and left. While on the other hand, the one on the right will actually just rotate the grapple. And we can't forget about the lever in the middle. This is the one that closes and opens the grapple. Now that we are back up here by the mill, she's ready to unload. She didn't get a full load because we're not going to be running the mill for much longer, so she only got a half a load. But one thing I wanted to mention is that you don't want to try lifting any crazy large log unless you have weight in the trailer. So usually if you know that you're going to be lifting a large log, including length, even longer logs are going to be much heavier. You want to make sure that you have logs in your trailer because that's really going to help weigh you down, because if you have your arm all the way out and your trailer's empty, you're just begging to tip. So make sure that you have some weight in there. Usually we just use the logs as weight, like I've already said. All right, Jade, time to unload this and get back to milling.
Anyone that's operated hydraulics would know this well, but the trick to operating the Metavic is to not jerk on the hydraulic levers. It's just to make very small, gentle movements with it, because you can really start to get the boom bouncing a lot if you aren't calm with the way that you move the levers. It's definitely something that you get used to, and it gets way easier after time, and when you don't no longer have to think about which lever moves what, and your mind just kind of does it for you, muscle memory. But it's definitely something that you have to get used to and takes a lot of practice.
If you missed it yesterday, we just dropped new merch. It's available now on our website at lumbercapital.com. I'm wearing one of them right now. Make sure that you get a t-shirt before they run out. Other than that, I think that that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I'll see you back here next time.